Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix joint pain with Advil, detailed guide step by step clearly. If you are experiencing joint pain and considering Advil for relief, follow these simple steps. First, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure Advil is appropriate for your condition. Read the medication label carefully to understand the recommended dosage. Typically, for adults, the standard dose is 200 to 400 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Do not exceed the maximum daily limit specified on the package. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or take other medications, discuss these with your doctor. Ensure you have a glass of water on hand when taking Advil. Swallow the tablet whole with the water, do not crush or chew the medication. Consider taking Advil with food to reduce the risk of stomach upset. Monitor your pain level before and after taking the medication to assess its effectiveness. If pain persists after a few days of use, seek further medical advice. Keep track of any side effects you may experience, such as stomach pain or dizziness. If you notice any severe reactions, stop taking Advil immediately and contact your doctor. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by incorporating joint-friendly exercises and a balanced diet to support overall joint health. Stay hydrated and avoid activities that could exacerbate your joint pain while using Advil. Remember, while Advil can provide temporary relief, it is essential to address the underlying causes of joint pain with your healthcare provider. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.